right, Juvens, go ahead and read number 3 for me.
Number 3. On the grid below, draw a rectangle that has an area of 15 square units.
Okay.
Mass 3 and
You'll have to read that part.
6.
It's just the standard. So, let's think about what skills we need to be able to solve this problem. What skills do we need to solve this problem? Sam. Okay, why would you need to know width and length?
So you can figure out what
Okay, so you need to know gives you area. What else do you need to know, Shamika? Pardon? Okay, good. So what Sam was saying was length and width to find area, but what is area? So we need to know that. Anything else we need to know to solve this problem? Vicente.
I want to know what is a quadrilateral because a rectangle is like a quadrilateral.
Okay, so you need to be familiar with the shape. How can you use that information? Now remember, you're not going to tell me the steps to solve yet. Just think about how you get this information together to solve the problem. Sam kind of went through a little bit with her length and width, right? So we would need, you told me what area is. Sam said you need length and width to find area, right? Is there any other things that you need to know how to do?
You need to have to draw.
Students, what are you thinking?
The rectangle has to have an area of 15 square units.
Okay, so that could go under that's going to be how we solve it, right? So, when we actually talk about what we're doing to solve it, I just want to know the basic skills you need to be able to figure this out. Shamika. I heard you say something about. Okay, good. You need to know how to draw the quadrilateral. That's a good skill. Why is finding area important? Why could we possibly need this information? Yes. Okay, so it might help you with a math problem, but think about outside of school. Why would you need to know the area of something?
It can help you find out how much space you need.
Hold on 1 second. So I want to hear your answer, but my second graders are. Chicka chicka!
Bongo!
Thank you. Go ahead, say that again.
Because when I said, when, like, if you're about to build a house, you're gonna need to know how much space you need just to build a house and everything.
Okay, good, perfect. So we can tell you what's inside the house, and I see a connection. Good.
I have a connection
Yes.
about our project.
What project?
The visual project? No, the abandoned house project.
Okay.
We need to always find the area when we're doing our house.
Good. When you were doing your blueprint of your abandoned house, you had to figure out the area of each room. Okay, good. All right. So now that we know what all these things that we need to know before we start, I want you to pair up with your elbow buddy. So elbow, and Zoe, I'll pair up with you, and you're going to discuss the steps that you're going to take to figure out this problem. Okay? Go ahead.
So I think I think the rectangle is like 15 square units in like 15 square units in each. So we have to make 15 square units in all, and then we have to make 5 rounding. So we can find this.
Pencils are down.
Oh, yes. So you gotta no, it's not.
Alright, so now we're going to discuss what we came up with our partners. Let's start with Vicente and Shamika. Vicente, go ahead. Tell us what you discussed.
We discussed that we can do 5 times 3 equals 15, like 5 length and 3 width.
Okay, good. So you just right away thought of a math problem. You knew that area. How did we find area? Like what? So you guys brainstorm multiples of 15, so 3 times 5 is 15. And then you would do what next?
We'll do like 5 square blocks right here, and then 3 on the bottom, and then like 8 on the top.
Okay, interesting. Did you guys come up with a different method? No, the same one. And Zoe and I came up with the same one too. So I'm going to share how, since you guys all have the same system, I'm going to share how oh, do you have another idea? Okay, so what property tells us that we can switch the numbers? Shamika. Okay, good. So even if we switch the numbers, we're going to get the same product. Okay, very good. I was thinking that, so you guys took the very direct path. I told you guys I'm very visual, right? So I would have just started coloring squares in rows until I got to 15. So I kind of would have colored one row, seen how many I had, and then kept adding on until I got to 15. Okay? So now go ahead and on your paper, Samantha, solve your problem. Go ahead. Do the way that you discussed with your partner. Chicka chicka?
No.
I know it's going to be a little bit trickier because you guys all kind of picked the same method, but I shared one too. So I want you to reflect for a moment and think about what it is that you've learned from sharing out your possible ways of solving this problem. Take a minute to think. Alright. What did we figure out?
You can use multiplication in like a problem like this where you use square units, like we did 5 times 3 equals 15. So then like 5 square boxes and 3 in each box.
Okay. So you're saying that even though we're creating a shape, if you're finding an area problem, you can simply use a multiplication problem?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sam?
I think that commuter property,
Okay, so even though you both chose to do a multiplication problem, you put your numbers in a different order than you guys, right? So what I think you're trying to say is that because of the commutative property in your brain, the order that you thought, did you do 3 times 5 or 5 times 3? 3 times 5 was easier for you than 5 times 3. And so the commutative property can, if that's what works for you, it allows you to switch it. Okay, good. And Shamika?
I think we learned that when you did that way, that you could add rows many times until you get to the answer. Total amount of air.
Okay, good. So what was similar about my way and your guys' way? Even though you guys used a multiplication problem and I was coloring, what was similar about the two ways? Shamika?
You were still using like groups and stuff, groups, and you keep repeating them until you got to it. And multiplication is like repeated addition, just like you did.
Good. I like that.